Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a casting called PT Fast. What it basically is, a custom modified PT Cruiser, and it's by Hot Wheels, new for 2026. It's a mainline casting, so let's see what are the details on it. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is a quick look at the PT Fast casting. We'll deep dive into it after this. So here we got the PT Fast, and as you can see, it's a heavily modified PT Cruiser. I think the only thing that's left of PT Cruiser is the hood. Everything else seems like it's been changed. But we're gonna start from the front. So up front, you can see it has got a different face compared to regular PT Cruiser. If you'll see, it's really wide, and it has also got some details which are different, like the headlamp, the grille. They look different from the PT Cruiser, the actual PT Cruiser. And you also get this splitter in the front. If you look at the lower part, there's a big splitter there, right there. Paint, I like the paint. The blue with white stripes looks really good. I think that's like very American muscle car kind of paint. Apart from that, you can also see there's a vent in the hood. I don't know if it's for an intake or anything else. I'm not sure. Windshield again gets some more bars on the top, so you know it's a custom, faster PT Cruiser. You got both the mirrors, which is again good to have. I don't see any windshield wipers, so I don't know if it's hidden somewhere or no. I have no clue. Now moving to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you can see you got those 3-spoke wheels, which actually doesn't look bad here, especially with finished in white, which matches the stripes. Looks good. You can see the windows. Those are obviously custom with smaller cutouts. It's more of a racing car. And on the side, you can see it's a wide body vehicle, and you can see the cutouts in the door too for accommodating that wide body. And the rear door is closed. Only the front door opens. It's basically become a 2-door. Also, this crazy spoiler, and it's not a full spoiler. I don't know what it is, to be frank. Let's go to the rear. On the rear, you can see some details. You can see where the tail lamp was or is supposed to be, but it's not painted. You got twin exhaust. You can see here this twin exhaust, which look nice. And this is what I was talking about. It's not a spoiler, but it's some kind of aero element which comes forward. Because there's no spoiler on the top, it's just the sides, and it says PT Fast on the rear window. I think the hatch is also welded shut. You got a big diffuser at the bottom. There's a lot of good details. Passenger side looks almost identical. Don't see any major differences. Now, what's interesting, I don't know if my camera can focus or show you. You see at the roof there are like intakes on the roof right there, and that's because there is an engine in the back. Let's see if the camera can actually show it, but if you can see from the rear window, maybe that's easier. So there's an engine in the back rather than front. There's the engine is in the back, and I think that's why they're like the intakes on the top. So it's a really custom made car, like a specially modified kind of thing. And this is how the base looks. No major details there. Top obviously showed you before. But yeah, it's a very unique casting, I would say. I don't think anybody thought of making a unique PT Cruiser. Definitely would have looked much better if the tail lamp and other stuff were detailed too. But I think even in this level of details, it's still a cool mainline casting, and if you're good with adding details, you're gonna love it. That's what I think. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.